If you use Wealthsimple's stock lending program, you can easily check which stocks have been lent out, how much you've earned, and your lending history. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find your stock lending activity in the Wealthsimple app. Let's get started. First, open the Wealthsimple app. You should land on the home screen. From here, look at the top right corner and tap the profile icon. Once you're on your profile page, look at the top right corner again and tap the gear icon to open your settings. Next, scroll through the settings until you find automation. Tap on automation and then look for stock lending. Tap on stock lending to continue. You'll now see the different accounts you have with Wealthsimple that are eligible for or participating in stock lending. Under each account, you'll see a View Details button. Tap View Details for the account you want to check. This will open your stock lending history for that account. Here, you can see information about your total earnings, along with the past activity showing when your stocks were lent out. This is useful if you want to keep track of how much you've earned from stock lending without having to search through your account transactions. One quick tip: if you have multiple Wealthsimple accounts, make sure you're checking the correct account before reviewing the details. The lending history and earnings are shown separately for each account. And that's all there is to it. You can now quickly check your stock lending activity, view your earnings, and see your past lending history directly from the Wealthsimple app. If this guide was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Guides and Beyond for more simple tutorials and helpful guides.